Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I have got a return of a subscription I haven't unboxed for a long time, and it's a book subscription and it is Reposed. This is how it arrives in the post. So if you're new to Reposed, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it, but if you've heard it all before and you're just curious and seeing what's inside this month's box, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. So Reposed is a monthly book subscription. It's based in the UK and they ship to Europe and North America as well. The cost of a rolling monthly subscription is £12.80 including shipping within the UK. It's £17.20 for Europe and £20.20 for Northern America. You can opt for a 3, 6 and 12 month subscription, and they also offer a one-off box for £13.80, which is what I've done. Repose claim that it's the UK's #1 book subscription, and from the boxes I've received in the past, I do really like it, and it's affordable as well. I love the fact that as well as a book, you also get some treats, which is nice. It's more like a pamper self-care type subscription. So inside the box then, you receive a brand new, just released book from the best in literary fiction. They say on the website, think prize list books and the just published novels everyone is talking about. All books in the subscription are paperback only. So as well as the books, you will find a sweet treat, you will find a tea and a beauty product as well. They have an online digital book club, so you're able to upload your review and have a chat with other people that have also read the books. And all beauty products are cruelty free. If you order between say the 1st of March and the 31st of March, your first box will be the April box and you'll receive that within the first week of the month. So I think that's it as far as information goes. All links and everything related to the subscription I'll pop down in my description. So underneath this video, see show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that would bring up my description and everything would be listed down there. So let's get on to showing you what's inside. Take time for yourself, make time to read. This is how it's packaged. So inside you'll find a leaflet. It tells you everything about the products in the box and also about the books, so I'll be referring to this as we go along. So starting off with the treats first, we've got some Nordic wine gums, and this is by Wally and Wiz, Elderflower and Blueberry. It's a little bag of wine gums there. Next we've got a tea bag by T2. This is lemongrass and ginger. Something Beauty, we've got a Skimono, and this is a Advanced Moisture Plus. This is a sheet face mask, a replenishing serum infused with extract of rose and hyaluronic acid in an innovative biocellulose mask. Is that? And lastly, we've got some lovely prints that can be used for framing or as postcards, etc. Yeah, they're pretty. I really like that one. I love the colours. So those are the extras. So now onto the book. And we've got The Hiding Game by Naomi Wood. So it looks like that. I love a brand new book. I love a brand new book. I have to be in the right mood to start a book. I absolutely love reading. I love it. I have got dyslexia. It's not an excuse because I can read. I may take a little bit longer than most people to read a book, but once I'm immersed in the story, then I can't put it down. I just have to carry on reading at any opportunity I can, but it does take me a while to get into it. So yeah, so I hope it's good. So it says here, we are huge fans of Naomi Wood's award-winning novel Mrs. Hemingway, and her latest work is every bit as brilliant. A suspenseful story of obsession against the tense political backdrop of Germany's Bauhaus art school, according to the Sunday Times. The Hiding Game is a novel that we found both gripping and fascinating, not to mention beautifully written, of course. As always, we can't wait to hear what you all think. Join us online in our dedicated members-only Facebook group or share your thoughts at We Are Repost. Just to give you more information about the book, it says on the back here, in roaring 20s Germany, Paul, Charlotte and Walter meet at the Bauhaus Art School. The trio form a close-knit group in which passions and rivalries collide. But when Walter is betrayed, he makes a terrible mistake, a secret he will keep from Paul and Charlotte for as long as he can. As political tensions escalate and the Nazis gain power, Walter's secret, hidden in notebooks, paintings and blueprints, ultimately threatens the very lives of his friends with devastating consequences. So that's my next read. So I'm going to take some dedicated time tomorrow to create a nice space. Have a cup of tea on the go. Although saying that, I won't be having this one. I don't really like ginger. I love lemon, but I don't really like ginger, so I'll give that to my husband. But yeah, creating a nice space so that I can relax into reading a book and hopefully have some time, have some quiet time to try and get into it. If any of you have bought this and have read it, please let me know down below your thoughts, what do you think, as well as the subscription. If you're a regular subscriber or you've never heard of it as well, I'd still love to hear your thoughts, so please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.